Hey first graders, it's me, Miss Julia, with our read aloud for today. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds and I want you to look really closely at the cover and see if you can guess the title of our book for today. Take a few seconds, see if you can guess the title. Alright, so maybe some of you took a look at the cover and saw that punctuation mark right on the cover. What kind of mark is that? Right, that's an exclamation mark, and that's the title of our book. Exclamation mark by Amy Krauss Rosenthal and Tom Lichtenheld. He stood out from the very beginning. He stood out here. He stood out there. All right, friends, pause for a second. So we have our exclamation mark. What other punctuation mark do we have on this page? Right, a period. Periods that go at the end of a sentence. It seemed like the only time he didn't stand out was when he was asleep. He tried everything to be more like them. What did he do to his little tail? Looks like he tried to curl it up underneath him. Does he look like a period though? Not quite. But he just wasn't like everyone else. Period. He was confused, flummoxed, and deflated. Uh-oh. He even thought about running away. Then, one day, hello? Who are you? Pause for a second, friends. I see a new punctuation mark has come into the book. What punctuation mark is that? Take a few seconds and think. Right, it's a question mark. Let's continue reading to see what happens when our exclamation mark meets our question mark. What grade are you in? What's your favorite color? Do you like frogs? What's your favorite ice cream? When's your birthday? Know any good jokes? Do you want to race to the corner? Is there an echo in here? Is there an echo in here? What's your favorite movie? Do you know what makes gravity? Why do you look so surprised? Am I boring you? Do you think that a snail could go around the world? So, what do you want to do? Who's taller, you or me? What do you want to be when you grow up? Friends, what is this this question mark doing? That's right, asking a lot of questions. Let's see what happens. Stop! He didn't know he had it in him. How'd you do that? Can you do it again? He wasn't so sure, so he started small. Hi! That felt right, so he tried something bigger. Howdy! And as he pushed himself a bit more, wow! He discovered a world of endless possibilities. Yippee! This is fun! Way to go! Bravo! It was like he broke free from a life sentence. You're it! Yes! Home run! Congratulations! Happy birthday! Cool! Yum! That's great! Thanks! Go! Wake up! Look out! Encore! Boo! Pause. What is our exclamation mark learning that he knows how to do? Yeah, exclaim. Look at all these fun things he gets to say. Do you think he's going to want to go back to trying to be like a period now that he knows all that he has the power to do? Let's find out. He couldn't wait to show everyone. Hey guys, it's me! Look what I can do! Of course, there was much exclaiming. Isn't he something? There was never any question in our minds. So, with his head held high, he went off to make his mark. The end. It seems like our exclamation mark was pretty happy just being himself after he realized what he could do. What's something that's really special about you or that you're super good at? Maybe you didn't realize it at first, just like our exclamation mark. What made you realize that about yourself? Turn and talk to someone around you, or write it down on a piece of paper. All right, friends, that's all for our story for today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.